ProZone is best channel for product reviews. We are giving 100% perfect reviews after use any product. So, subscribe our channel and click on the bell button. Then you will be first to know when we post new videos. Echo Dot, second generation. Smart speaker with Alexa. The Amazon Echo Dot is a great product. It maintains almost everything that made the original Echo so great, while also bringing a substantial cut in price in the style of a portable puck. This small form factor makes an enormous amount of sense, particularly for those who aren't sure about how a smart speaker will, literally and metaphorically, fit into their current smart home setup. There are constantly rumors circulating about new Alexa features, but Amazon has recently updated all of its Alexa smart speakers with a beta feature called Can Fulfill Intent Request. This will mean that if you forget the triggers for specific skills, Alexa will still, hopefully, be able to understand what you were hoping to do. The Echo Dot is a great-looking little product. It's around the same circumference as the full-size Echo, but this new Dot lacks a volume ring, meaning it has an additional 2 buttons on its top to control volume directly, in addition to the mute and listen buttons. The Dot also has the same light ring found on the Echo, which indicates when Alexa is listening to you through its 7-microphone array or whether the speaker is muted, useful if you're watching a movie and don't want to be interrupted when Alexa thinks she's heard her name. The most striking difference from the Echo is the Dot's height. At just 32 mm tall, the device is a full 20 cm shorter than its bigger brother. It's not as small as the aforementioned Chromecast audio, but it's pretty dinky all the same. Its size means it's much easier to tuck away in a nook or cranny of your choosing, although naturally you'll want to make sure it's still able to hear you speak. We found that the Echo Dot worked well in the kitchen, where it was able to easily fit on top of a microwave, but placed next to a stereo was also good, so long as the hardware wasn't too close to the speakers, making it hard for the microphones to pick up commands properly. Performance. The Dot maintains the Echo's exceptional ability to recognize your voice while giving you the option of improving upon its biggest flaw, the sound quality, providing you've got an additional external speaker handy. Being able to use an external speaker is excellent, and means we regularly ended up using the Dot like a Chromecast to listen to tracks off Spotify, where it was surprisingly intuitive to get songs and artists playing. In order to do so, you'll need to provide your Spotify login details, and set it as your default music service over the standard Amazon Prime Music. Once that's done, you can simply say Alexa, play Royal Blood, and be almost instantly serenaded by the rock duo, for example. But the biggest problem with using a pair of external speakers is that, unlike the Echo Dot itself, these are not meant to be always-on devices. You want to purchase Echo Dot, second generation, smart speaker with Alexa, link available in below description. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for get instant access of new upcoming videos.